Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you how to activate and deactivate night light on Acer laptop. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first, what you need to do is that on the down you will be able to see here is the start button. So just click on the start button. When you click on the start button, here is the setting option. So move on the setting. Okay, so when you move on the setting, where you have to click is the left side is the system and the right side should be on the display. So here you have to click on the display. When you move on the display, here is the icons for activate the night light. If you want to activate, you just click on this icon. See, it has been changed the color. Okay, and if you want to deactivate this night light, again you just click on this icon, it will be changed. Okay, it's not much because this is the dark mode. If you are in the light theme, you will be able to see the night light. Okay, so you can activate and deactivate the night light like this. And if you want to increase the night light temperature, you just click on here on the arrow on the side, and here is the night light temperature. If you want to increase the temperature, you can increase it. Okay, if you want to decrease the temperature, you can decrease it too. Okay, so which one you felt like it's this one is good, this one is no, you just select from here. Okay, you can off and on the night light. Okay, so friends, and this is the brightness. If you want to increase and decrease, this is the scale of the brightness, and here is the scale of the night light. Okay, so now you know, right? If you want to activate, you just click on this icon. If you want to deactivate, again you just click on this icon, it will be off. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.